Hi! In front of me is NOKIA G22 and today I would like to show you how you can locate all text correction options. First of all, go into Settings and scroll all the way down to Access System. Then tap on Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and Revert. Lastly, just click on Text Correction. As you can see, all typing features are over here. If you want to manage them, just click on the switchers next to the chosen ones. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!